and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build your own computer desk in Heartopia. So I'm just going to adjust this so you guys can see a little bit clearer. But we're going to use some low walls here. We're going to use a few. So 1, 2, 3, 4 there. And then we're going to use 2 more. I'm just going to color it in later because I'm a little bit lazy today. I'm just kidding. But we're just going to place 2 floors here, and we're going to grab this joinery jar cabinet, and we're going to add one here on the ground like so, and then we're going to add another one here. We're going to add 2 at the top. We're then going to add 1 more here and 1 more here. You can also add this to fill in the gaps if you'd like to. And then we are going to grab the wooden wall storage, and we're going to place it here. We're going to place 3. Then you can place your computer, your laptop, or whatever it is on here. Maybe turn the precision on a little, and then you can just place it here. Place a chair here. Let's place this one. Let's rotate that. And I'm just going to decorate it, and I'll be right back with the finished results. And here is the finished result. Super cute and super easy as well. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!